Ayubia National Park and Donga Gali Track, a nature escape. Join me for a quick yet unforgettable journey through Ayubia National Park and the Donga Gali Track, a perfect mix of nature, mountains, and quality time with loved ones. Today we'll tackle a 4-kilometer trek in the stunning Galiat region of Pakistan. This isn't just a walk. It's a chance to breathe in fresh air and soak up breathtaking views. As we enter this serene mountain landscape, the city noise fades, replaced by rustling leaves and cheerful bird songs. The Donga Gali Track invites us to explore at our own pace. No rush, just laughter, chats, and shared moments. Look around! Majestic mountains draped in lush greenery greet us. These trees not only beautify our surroundings, but also nurture our environment. Let's take a deep breath of that crisp mountain air, a refreshing escape from daily stress. We'll notice the little things, a unique tree, a vibrant flower, or a bird dancing through the branches. These simple joys elevate our spirits. Mental health thrives on these little pleasures, walking, connecting with loved ones, and immersing ourselves in nature. This trek is more than just exercise. It's a mental getaway filled with stories, laughter, and exploration. While we snap photos, the real magic lies in our shared experiences. The laughter, stunning vistas, and gentle breezes. These moments create lasting memories. As we walk the Donga Gali Track, let's remember our responsibility to protect these natural wonders for future generations. Parks are precious habitats, and it's up to us to preserve their beauty. The mountains remind us of our place in nature, highlighting the joy of appreciating what surrounds us. A sunny morning, fresh air, and the company of friends and family. So as we journey today, let's focus on the experience, admire the trees, listen to the birds, and create joyful memories. In the end, this 4-kilometer walk isn't just about reaching a destination. It's about savoring the journey. Ayubia offers us a chance to slow down, connect, and find happiness. Let's continue our walk. Cherish Galiat's beauty, respect the environment, and appreciate this natural treasure. 4 kilometers may be a distance, but today it symbolizes fresh air, laughter, and lasting memories. That's the true joy of walking in nature.